The Herma 152 RTL is designed for the application of self-adhesive labels to conical containers. The machine will handle both metal and plastic containers from 3 to 25 litres in size. 1 or 2 labels can be applied. These can be applied in orientation to the handles on the container. The 152 is designed to give simple changeover from one product to another. The touchscreen HMI stores all of the relevant parameters for the machine operation. Formats are pre-programmed and can be selected using the drop-down boxes on the HMI, but adjustments for new containers are easily made. All mechanical settings have digital indicators, and these settings are also displayed on the screen to assist with changeover. The 152 RTL is fitted with vacuum belts to transport the labels from the dispensing beak to the application point. This gives precise presentation of the label to the product. The label applicators can be adjusted in height and also in angle. This allows different shapes and sizes of containers to be labelled. The pneumatic gapping unit releases the containers at the correct pitch to give maximum throughput. The system will label 20-litre containers with twin labels at 17 products per minute, rising to 22 containers per minute for 5-litre containers. A schematic of the machine is shown on the HMI. By touching a specific area, the adjustable parameters are shown. To recall a container from memory, go to the load screen. Use the drop-down box to select the correct container and select. Press the load button to confirm. The gapping unit has 3 adjustable parameters. The settle time allows the product to become stable before the process starts. This should be set to a minimum of 200 milliseconds. The close setting tells the pneumatic cylinders when to close after the container has been released. The can pitch setting is the time before the next can is released. The labelling station screen has 3 sub-screens. Screen 1 has 3 settings. Sensor start delay adjusts the time from the product sensor seeing the container to when the free roller unit closes. The settle time allows the product to be stable before the labelling process starts. The release delay is the time from the finish of the labelling process to when the container is released. Screen 2 adjusts the positions of the labels on the containers. Label 1 orientation position is the distance from the detection of the handle to application of the first label. Label 1 can stop position is the distance the can travels before the rotation reverses. Label 2 orientation position is the position of the second label. Label 2 can stop position is the distance the can travels before it stops. Screen 3 shows the speed of the label transfer belts and the label rotation roller. The transfer belt should be set to a speed of 5 meters a minute, less than the container rotation roller. In this screen, it is also possible to trap and rotate a container to assist with setup. This is the label applicator setup screen. The speed of the label applicators can be adjusted, but they should always be set to a speed of 5 meters a minute, less than the label transfer belts. The label stop delay is the distance from the detection of the label gap to the label stop. This should be set to 170 millimeters.